Maya. Today I'm going to show you a very simple physics trick called Now You See It, Now You Don't. This is Andrea Nicole, your physics wizard on duty. The objective of this activity is for you to know the concept of total internal reflection. These are the materials that we will be using: water, coin, and a glass. Place the glass above the coin, and you will observe that the coin is still visible. But when you put water into the glass, the coin will disappear. The reason this happens is because of the total internal reflection. The light travels from the glass to the water to the glass and to the coin. But it is not just refracting. The light also reflects. So the light will cover the coin so you can see it.